All right, well, the work is done, and I said yesterday I was going to give you the update about getting the wheels done. Now, the wheel man, and that's his name, he's just driven away. I think he's done an exceptional job. I really can't tell where the gutter rash was and where he's improved the wheels. So I'm going to take you on a tour. Now, he's done actually 4 wheels. 3 of them were worse than the 4th one, but all in all, there was just light gutter marking. So check this out. You can probably see it was mainly on this lip here was where the rash was, where it's been scraped on gutters, and he's done little touch-ups here, just where there was some paints that are missing, probably from when they changed the wheels. Beautiful 16-inch gold original wheel on these, and here, just check this out. Well, that one's upside down. I'll show you. See. That one's upside down, so I'll spin this around. I got these the other day. Getting a little bit pedantic, but there's the new valve caps, STI logo on it. Nice. There we go. So all in all, to get the 4 wheels done, $640, but it is looking sensational.